Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick overview of all the projects that have been funded in the first round of the ETC Grants DAO program. So very quickly, we have a list. I have a list here of the English funded projects and the Chinese funded projects. For the Chinese applications, I had to do a lot of translation myself, so I have documents for every project in a Google Doc, just in case the website goes down or something changes. So for the funded English projects, we have Nerve Network, Izumi Finance, Alpha Day, Mechaverse, Truman, Block Scout, GiveIt, Ethereum Classic, Plugin for Plugeth, Incentivized Micro Contribution System, Hibi Swap, Classic DAO, Patient Money YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, and POW Summit. I'm going to give you a quick first line pitch for each project and in a little bit here. For the Chinese projects, we have Magic Tower, we have Times Finance, Flash, ETC Finance, WBM, and Keen ODK, which is a stablecoin. All right. So now, let's take a quick look at. I have this Excel sheet here where I've added, I have a total of the funds. I'm not sure much has changed since I did this. I started putting this together last week, and I think we are still pretty much up to date. So this is the spreadsheet where I'm going to be tracking all the projects and seeing where they're at. And I'll make videos on specific projects. I'll pick maybe 2 projects and make detailed videos on them. All right, let's start with the Nerve Network. The Nerve Network is an asset relay network connecting multiple blockchains, a completely gas-free blockchain. So I was going to show every single Twitter of every project, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I think I'm only going to show the first 2, and then I'll put all the links below so that you can go and check them out yourself. So like I said again, I will be making detailed videos on each of the projects. It's quite exciting what some of these projects will be bringing to Ethereum Classic, but again, we'll try to make sure we keep tabs on them and they deliver exactly according to what they said they were going to do. So we have screenshots of everything that they promised to deliver, and we're going to keep track of that. All right. So the next one on my list here is Izumi Finance. Izumi Finance is a multi-chain DeFi protocol providing one-stop liquidity as a service, LAAS. So that's Izumi Finance. I couldn't find their Twitter, so I got the website right there. I'm sure they are on Twitter. Okay. So the next one here is, what is it? Alpha Day. So Alpha Day asked for 3,800. Very specific. I don't know. There's a specific reason why they asked for exactly 3,800. Alpha Day is a powerful crypto workflow aggregator that pulls in news, on-chain data, social media, Web3 services, and much more into one customizable UI. Sounds pretty good. Next is Mechaverse. Mechaverse is a meta-dimensional strategy game in the era of Web3 with the NFT authorization of various well-known Japanese IPs. Find Truman. Find Truman is the first Steam-like story gameplay co-creation platform in Web3. Okay, so again, we're going to be digging more into, what a co-creation platform in Web3 is and exactly how it's working on other platforms and how that's going to transfer to ETC. All right. Again, Block Scout. Yes, I'm excited for this one because as a developer on ETC, a lot of things that I used to be able to do easily on the back end, quite recently I wasn't able to do, but now that they're funded, I'm sure they'll go and fix all that and have the ETC connection on Block Scout work smoothly for back-end operations. It's a decentralized open source block explorer. All right, GiveIt. So GiveIt, we would like to add our donation. Okay, so GiveIt is a place where you can raise funds for a project with Ethereum Classic. So any idea you have, you can raise funds, but the funds will come in Ethereum Classic, and then you will get 100% of the funds that you raise. So they got 50,000. Oh, I wasn't mentioning the amount. So GiveIt 50,000, Blockscale 50,000, Fine Truman 35,000, Mechaverse 25,000, Alpha Day 3,800. Okay, so the next is where's that? Ethereum Classic plugin for Pluget. Now this create a plugin. Okay, they are going to create a plugin to allow standard Pluget to sync and run Ethereum Classic. All right, next is incentivized micro contribution system. They ask for $2,000. A rewards focused platform using ETC to incentivize small contributions to Ethereum Classic, seamlessly integrating with GitHub and social media to increase awareness and network engagement. All right. Next is Hebe Swap Oracle. Hebe Swap Oracle got a grant of 50,000, and Hebe Swap Oracle is a blockchain middleware that enables integration of off-chain data and events into the ETC blockchain. This middleware serves as a bridge between off-chain data sources. Now, Hebe Swap has been building on ETC for a while now, so no doubt they are going to stay and deliver. Classic DAO. Classic DAO is creating a new DAO which has special functionality and incentives for building projects that grow on Ethereum Classic from its core up. Now, Classic DAO, I know quite a few of the members of the team, and I know they are in ETC and they are here to stay and they're going to give it their best. So looking forward to it. Now, the other projects that I haven't mentioned anything about, I do not know anybody on those teams. So now I can only wait to see how they deliver to assess them based on that. All right. So Patient Money YouTube channel, this channel right here. We've been creating Ethereum Classic content for about 2.5 years now, and we're grateful to be funded. All right, POW Summit sponsorship. Okay, this is to spread awareness of proof of work and fight the media representation of proof of work. And I think this was done in collaboration with the Litecoin Foundation. So we'll see how this first one goes. Magic Tower. Okay, so this is one of the Chinese language applications. Again, there are a lot of Chinese users. Okay, over 1 billion people out there, and so it's very important to make ETC accessible to all. Okay, Magic Tower is an RPG blockchain game developed based on traditional game IP. Okay, this is a translation. That's why let's see here. So it also integrates SocialFi, GameFi, DeFi, and other elements. Sounds interesting. All right, Times Finance. So Times Finance is a liquidity strategy service. It's a liquidity strategy service platform for liquidity providers. Flash is an NFT aggregation trading platform that provides functions such as NFT creation, browsing, purchase, and sale. All right, so next we have ETC Fans. ETC Fans helps users understand the development process and latest news of the ETC project in a one-stop shop, and becomes a window to understanding the ETC community. ETC Fans is a bridge linking users and the market, influencing more users to pay attention to and participate in the ETC ecosystem. All right, WBM. WBM is building a new chapter for asset tokenization, relying on real property, real estate as the underlying value, and building real estate NFTs, real estate asset tokens, and income tokens on Ethereum Classic. Okay, finally, we have Keen ODK. Keen is a decentralized stablecoin built on Ethereum platform using smart contracts. Its stablecoin name is ODK, which is similar to the MakerDAO protocol. It uses excess collateral assets to endorse the value of the stablecoin. I would like to look more into Keen ODK and see what kind of stable coin it is. Whether it's the traditional algorithm, how it works. So it's gonna be pretty exciting to follow all these projects and dig through and learn more about these projects while they expose ETC to the rest of the world. There are many other projects out there that did not get funding. Some that I wish got funding because they have been on ETC and they may not be a very high-end tool, but at the same time they've been here forever, and so the recognition for some marketing would have been great, but there's always a second chance to apply again to all those projects that did not get funded. Hang in there, keep building. Remember, you started building before funds were announced, so you keep doing your thing. And I'm excited to follow through with all these other projects and see where they go. All right, so I'll be leaving this link down here below. The ETC Cooperative left a link for all the projects, and from this link you can actually just click on the hyperlink in blue and go to the website of you go to the application of all the applicants, and from here you can actually copy their Twitter and go to their Twitter handle, and then from there you can go to their website or whatnot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep working on this Google Sheet, and I'll make this Google spreadsheet available. It will have all the website links and everything directly. So in the next day or two, the Google Sheet will be available, and I'll add it to the description of this video.